tomorrow is the opportunity to sample some nice biscuits or maybe chocolate cake. Or perhaps some muffins, savoury muffins, and maybe a boiled fruit cake. Slices, or look at some handicraft, whether it be a children's needlework section or the adults. Do you want to see Collector's Corner? Lovely old clock. Glassware. Most interesting vase there. Some old photographs. Fishing. Or some more crockery here. Could it be a Meakin? We were right. An Alfred Meakin plate. Probably not supposed to pick them up, but as you can see, we know what we're talking about. It's a lovely Alfred Meakin plate there. But where are we? Is that Mum and Dad? No, because they've got a little girl. Some old clocks. Sorry, tried telephones. We saw the old clock, all locked away, but the lock's undone on it, so we could get inside and see if it's a Meakin, like that one over there is. But where are we? We're at the Ashford show. Ashford. Where do you find Ashford? Well, if you go to Inverell and head out, or Amberville and head across, if you're Texas and you hang south, you could well end up at Ashford. And if you're there in February each year, you could come to the Ashford show. There's a sideshow alley, there's a ring and a good pavilion that we just looked at. So that's Ashford show, no, Australian country show. Now, one of the things you see in a country show is the kids participating, and this is a good part of country shows, and this is the good old-fashioned egg and spoon race. Bit of an egg scramble there. That's the egg and spoon race.